Alright, what is up YouTube? Nimbus here, back with another video. And for today's video, we have something different on the channel. I know I've been on my Adidas wave lately, as you guys can currently see. These are my beaters. And yeah, we have something different. Today we have the Air Max 270. And I'll show you guys the color. So in the description it says black and hyper magenta, but it definitely does have other colors in there. You guys will kind of see. If you guys know what this pair already looks like, then obviously you'll know. But before I go any further, I just want to say that this is not my pair. This is my brother's pair. I don't want to say I'm not a fan of this pair, but I personally wouldn't cop. Especially in this colorway. I don't know what my brother was thinking, but hey, if he likes it, then that's cool. Not my first choice. I know there's a triple black, and I think those look pretty cool. And I think there is a Air Max 270 Safari, which looks really dope. It has like a strap on there that you can tighten it up and yeah, do whatever you have to do. So yeah, so we got this, or he got it from the Goat app. So this is from Goat. Been hearing a lot of bad stuff about Goat lately, and it's a pretty bad look, but that's none of my business. But yeah, so far we haven't had any bad service with them. Everything's been a-okay, but you know, it is what it is. Anyways, here is the Air Max, or the Air 270. Yeah, it is an Air Max, right? Yeah, okay, yeah, it is an Air Max. Anyways, so here it is. As you can see, it definitely is not just a black and magenta or hyper magenta shoe. It does definitely have some white on there, and the laces are done in yellow. Here you go. And I believe this is the biggest air unit that Nike has ever done. So that's pretty cool. Since this is not my pair, I won't be able to do it on feet and give you guys my opinion on the overall fit. But this is just kind of a overview, not really a review, because yeah, this is not my pair, so I can't wear it. And yeah, so Nike check, Air 270 branding on the tongue, yellow laces, Nike swoosh on the side, and yeah, I mean, not my first choice of colors, but like I said, if he digs it, then that's cool. That's all that really matters. Air Max 270 right there, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's really not much to say. It is a very interesting shoe, to say the least. I'm more into, you know, the Nike Epic React. I think I might cop a pair in the future and kind of compare that to Boost, because you know, it's like the closest thing in terms of, you know, comfort. And I think it would be very interesting to do a video on that. So yeah. Oh, I actually never noticed the bottom. Actually, it's pretty cool. Air Max. So I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And for the people that have been subscribing to the channel, we are at 105 subs, I think. So thank you for that. I really appreciate it. And yeah, if you're interested and like the content, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.